Hello class, today we're going to learn how to do some formatting in Google Docs, or more specifically, we're going to learn how to add a heading and a bullet point list in a Google Doc. So the first step is to log onto your Gmail, and then you're going to come up here and click on the waffle, and then come down to Google Drive and open that up. And here we see our Google Drive's open up. Now if you need to add this heading and a bullet point list to a new document, you just right click and click on Google Docs and open up a new document. But for the purposes of today's lesson, we're going to open up an existing document. So here I have my biography, or my story. I'll open that up. And we see I have everything I've typed and my little headshot there. We're going to come down into a new line. And here we're going to type in interests. So interest that you may have. Now to highlight this, you can either double click on it, and there it is highlighted, or while at the end of the line, you can hit Shift and Home. And Home just means it brings it back to the front part of the page, and Shift causes it to highlight everything. Now that this word is highlighted, we're going to come up here to Normal Text on the toolbar, where you can see that there's different text styles. Click on that, and come down, and you can see that there are different headings here, or text styles. Now I've already added a title and a subtitle, so for the purposes of interest, or adding a heading here, I'm going to click on Heading 1, and you see that it changes the format of heading. It gives a space above and below it, and so now that I have my heading, if I hit Enter, the nice thing about adding these headings is it automatically now returns to normal text. So now I have my normal text here, and you can see it's not formatted differently. Now under interest, we're going to make a bullet point list. So up here in our toolbar, and sometimes it's hidden, you have to look all the way over here towards the word More, and click on that, and you can see some additional choices pop up, and we have a numbered bullet point list or just a bulleted list. So you can choose either one. Because we have a certain number of interests that we have to list, we're going to go ahead and click on Numbered and choose any style you like. We have that, and there we go. Now the nice thing about formatting this way is when we add our list of interests, so let's say that scuba diving is one of my interests. When I hit Enter and go to the next line, you can see that automatically it's added a 2 for me. So now maybe painting is an interest of mine. Hit Enter and go down, and you continue to do that as long as you can to complete your list. And that's how you add headings and a bullet point list to your document.